Sumalata, working as English and Life Skills Trainer in APSWRS Gopalapuram, West Godavari District. Today, we will discuss the topic reserving the train ticket. Indian Railway requires reservation for all classes of travel except for general class. So, dear students, you know the train has many coaches like first class, second class and general class. So except general class, Indian Railway requires reservation for all the classes to travel in the Indian Railway journeys. A passenger can make an advance reservation for up to 120 days in advance. So students, we can reserve at least 120 days before we can book our ticket. Next, reservation allows the travelers to find a confirmed berth in the selected class of a train. Passengers booking ticket from the ticket counter can opt for the senior citizens ladies quota and other related concessions. In this lesson, there is one conversation between the railway clerk and a passenger. So let us see how the conversation goes on and the process of reserving berth in train. Passenger will go to the nearby railway station to the booking counter and the conversation will goes on like this. Passenger, excuse me, could you please help me with a reservation form? Then the railway clerk will answer, sure, here it is. Passenger, I am planning to travel from Kurnool to Vijayawada. Which train can I prefer? Railway clerk, which class do you prefer? 2-tier AC, 3-tier AC or sleeper class? Then passenger, I will go with sleeper class. Railway clerk, then Yeshwantpur Express have enough vacant berths. Passenger, may I know the train number of Yeshwantpur Express? Railway clerk, it's displayed on the board over there. Passenger will give the response, thank you. There are two main ways in which you can make a booking or reservation. One is a passenger can make a booking physically through Indian Railway booking counter. This type is called as physically booking. And the second one is e-ticketing of Indian Railways. This you have to book through irctc.co.in website. Students, here are the steps you need to follow to get a train ticket from Indian Railway booking counter. First, you have to visit the nearest railway station and ask for the reservation form. Then fill the passenger details like name, age, gender, birth and preference. Once you fill the form, you return it to the railway clerk with the payment and you will get your tickets with the unique PNR number. PNR means passenger name record. Students, here is the ticket copy which you will get after booking physically through booking counter. Now let us discuss about online ticket booking. It is also called as e-ticketing of Indian Railways. It is a most and simple, easiest way of booking ticket. First, log in into www.irctc.co.in. You can log in directly or by seeking help from licensed IRCTC agents. After that, you have to select the source and destination stations. Then select your preferred train and check for train ticket availability. Later, you have to fill the passenger details like name, age, gender, birth, preference. And also you can order directly meals. After completing all the personal details, proceed towards the payment. Fill the details required at the time of payment. Your online train ticket booking is finalized once the payment is made. A message or email will be sent to passenger registered details. Here are the ID cards which the passengers need to carry and show to the railway clerk during your journey. Identity cards are Aadhaar card, voter photo identity card, passport, driving license, PAN card, central or state government issued photo ID card, student ID card, nationalized bank passbook, credit cards, photo identity card. From the above identity cards, you can show any one of the card as the proof to travel in the Indian Railway journeys. I hope you all understood how to book a railway ticket through physically and online. Thank you.